Would you like to offer your guests a fall flavored dessert during your holiday parties? Try my pumpkin scone cookies. They are light, delicious, and not too sweet, a perfect ending to a hearty fall meal. Start by creating your egg replacer. Make up some Cheri's Hazel Cream. Make it as cream. Follow the instructions on the package. Add in the pumpkin, not pumpkin pie mix, just pumpkin. Separately, mix together the flour, sugar, spices, and other dry ingredients. Then add the butter, using a pastry cutter to work it in. It should have a crumbly texture. Add in the wet pumpkin mixture. Your hands work well for this, but I suggest wearing gloves. Using a scoop, measure out the cookies, making sure they're approximately the same size. Now put them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. This is an important step, so don't skip it. Once they are chilled, roll them into ball shapes. If you want bite-sized cookies, cut each ball in half and re-roll it. Now use a fork to press down the cookie. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 11 minutes. When you remove them from the oven, you may add a chocolate chunk or sprinkles. Just be sure to do this while the cookies are hot. That's all there is. Try this pumpkin scone cookie recipe. I'm sure you'll get rave reviews.